Hey, and welcome back to another video. In today's shoot, I'm going to show you how to shoot in a small space. Yes, I am in my studio, but I've set all this stuff up like it's a 2 by 2 meter space. In today's shoot, I'm going to be using a 100 centimeter Octa, the grid. So the purpose of the grid is to stop the amount of light spilling everywhere. So it'll keep the light a lot more directional. And I'm joined by Mahamadou today. So let's just take some shots and see how they go. As you can see from the photos, they look amazing. Using a single light in a small space, you can get great results. So the last one, we use one light with the grid, and this time we're going to use 2 lights. So the secondary light is a strip softbox, and they will have a hooded diffuser, so again it just makes the light a little bit more directional. So what they will do is give a nice little separation light on the back of the head. So let's just take some photos, you can see how it goes. As you see from using 2 lights, it just takes it to the next level. Having the secondary light, a rim light, which is a nice little hair light, just separates the subject from the background. I really like this look, but that's not to say I love the first look as well. But if you want to learn more, come along to my next workshop and stay tuned for more videos. See you soon.